Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can overlay a video in CapCut. So first, just add the main clip in the main track in here and go to overlay to add the video overlay or photo overlay. Click on add overlay. I'm going to just use one from the stock video. Let's say I'm going to add the green screen overlay. This overlay right here. Click on the overlay, click on add. Now the video will be added, and if it is a green screen, you need to remove the green screen first. Let's use the chroma key, adjust the intensity and the shadow, and that's it. You can put the green screen in here, for example. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.